Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the Settings app, so open it now and stay on the main list. Once done, make sure low power mode is off because it can force a shorter auto lock. Toggle it in Settings Battery or Control Center. Next, tap Display and Brightness to reach the Screen Timeout control labeled Auto Lock. You're past setup and at the control you need. In the next step, you'll pick a timeout and save it so your screen behaves the way you expect. Tap Auto Lock to reveal the available durations and review them. Typical choices range from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes or never. Choose a shorter time to conserve battery or a longer one when you need the screen to stay active, but remember, never risks accidental taps and battery drain. After you select a duration, iOS saves it automatically, so just tap back or exit settings. Make sure to consider common usage. Lock your iPhone and watch the clock. Confirm the display sleeps at the interval you picked. If it doesn't, remember some apps and features: video playback, navigation, guided access, override auto lock while active. If auto lock appears grayed out, make sure low power mode is off and check settings screen time or device management. Corporate MDM can enforce a timeout. If all else fails, restart the iPhone and recheck settings. Restarting often clears temporary states and restores control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.